Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss the algebra of gradient, divergence and curl of point function. So the first theorem is prove that divergence of sum is the sum of the diagonals. Divergence of curl of sum is sum of their curl. So how to prove that? We'll prove the part second and first part is proved by. Second part will be left hand side is equal to curl of sum. Curl is equal to del cross, substitute del here, del operator cross u plus u vector. Now we'll operate it on. You have to do this very carefully because the product we have three types of product in the vector calculus. One is simple multiplication, other is dot product, and third is the cross products. So if you want to find dot and cross product, we have to keep in mind that we can find them in the among the vectors only. So now del of this cross, this will be iota of cross. This partial derivative will be operated on the sum of these vector point functions. So if they are vector point function, this is equal to iota cross is this iota cross partial derivative is x of the sum of u vector plus v vector. Similarly, plus j vector cross partial derivative is y of u vector plus v vector plus k vector cross partial z is 2 of u plus v. Now you know that the if the operator differential sum is sum of derivatives. So apply on each component. So if you have the x component, this will be equal to iota cross partial derivative of u vector square x plus partial derivative of y square x, and similarly for the other two components. J cross partial derivative of u is to y vector plus v vector is to y vector plus k vector cross partial derivative of u is to z plus v vector is to z. Now rearrange the terms. Now rearrange these terms. After rearrangement, this will be iota term with iota u term separate and v vector term separate. So v vector is equal to iota cross positive u vector is 2x plus j cross positive u vector is 2y plus k cross positive k vector is 2z plus remaining term will be iota cross positive v vector is 2x plus j cross positive v vector is 2y plus k cross positive v vector is 2z. So after rearranging, now what we got, now you can take this common. Now we convert it to del formula. Del form how we convert? We convert del and cross will be with the vector only. This cross was here, del operator was separated, and this cross u cross u cross u we have taken out. This will be del cross u plus similarly del cross v is equal to del cross u is the curl of u plus del cross is curl of v, which is equal to right hand side. Similarly, in place of dot, if you place in place of dot cross dot, you get this is dot here and dot here. This is divergence of u vector, then that will be divergence of u uh, uh, u del of u dot v, divergence of u dot v is equal to del dot v plus v is equal to divergence of u plus del v. Second term, prove the following: divergence of scalar point function to vector function is equal to uh, gradient of u dot v vector plus u vector plus u into divergence of u. First part, to prove it, prove that divergence of u scalar into v vector is equal to gradient of u dot v vector plus u vector divergence of v vector. So take left hand side. Let this is what does this mean? Del dot u vector. So operate it out. Del operator, substitute del operator here. and derivative operator on u cross u v vector, u simple, v simple. Simple function is equal to, is equal to iota dot positive u product u v vector is to x plus j dot to j dot positive u vector is to y plus k dot positive u v vector is to z. Now apply the formula product. They both are function of x, y, z. So product derivative of u to be equal to first derivative second plus second derivative first second. Then each term. But like this, if x solves y is to z positive. So when you operate them, iota dot u positive v vector to x plus positive u to x v. Similarly j dot u positive derivative of v vector to y plus derivative of u to y v vector plus k vector dot u positive v vector to z plus derivative of u to z v vectors. Now we'll arrange the terms. Like term. Like term is the term which contains derivative positive v vector. V vector this term and this term and this term. So term. So after rearrangement, first term is this first term. So u comes out to be common from this. You just get one function. So u common, and u common, and this equal to iota dot positive v is to x plus j dot positive v is to y plus k dot positive is to z. Similarly other terms. So b iota v vector is common outside dot with v vector. V vector positive v vector iota positive v vector is to x v vector is taken out dot v is outside common plus j positive u is to y plus k positive u is to z. Now after arrangement, what we got v vector, this del operator we will convert it to del operator. We convert them to del operator. So this is equal to 4. Now this is dot. Now this is dot here. So how to reach the dot? This will be u is common. Iota we are converted to del. So iota positive u dot v is common outside. This will to iota positive u positive x plus j positive y plus k positive to z dot v. Similarly, this is the gradient of u. This is gradient of u. If u is taken out, this is del of u. Gradient of u dot. So now this will this one. This is del of del dot v. This is equal to del dot u del dot v plus del of u dot v. This is equal to u vector del of u vector plus v vector dot gradient of gradient of u vector dot v. The second part is prove that curl of u v vector is equal to gradient of u dot v vector plus u curl of v vector. Now let's do the second part. Take left hand side of this. Left side of this is equal to curl of u scalar v vector is equal to del cross v. Curl of this vector is equal to curl of this. Substitute put the value of del here. Now for this vector scalar into vector function. Now this cross here, cross will be the vector. So iota cross positive of uv vector is to x plus j cross positive of uv vector is to y plus k cross positive is to z. Now differential of the product uv derivative product x is y is to z as we did for 1, same for number 2. This is a derivative first, iota cross derivative of u is to x v as it is plus u positive v is to x. Similarly, these components also. So then after that we'll arrange the term like term. This is having v here, and v here, uv positive u is to x, v common, cross v common, cross v common. First term, we got cross v common. So we are left with iota positive used to x plus j positive used to y plus k positive to z cross v is common. So similarly, other three terms, u is common, u simple notation, no cross note. U notation iota positive. Uh, now this is iota cross is here. Cross will be the vector. Cross v is taken outside. There we are separating the operator. We can put cross. We can't put cross here. You have to put cross here, 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 and the common, or otherwise we have taken v vector cross v vector common here. So we are left with iota u is common, u common, and cross v common. Cross v common, so this comes out to be del. We convert in del operators. U iota positive is to x plus j u is common positive j which is to y plus u common k positive z. Cross v vectors. Now substitute the value. This is equal to this is becomes, if you take common, this is a del of u become gradient of u. It contains simple notation because if del operates upon scalar function, this will gradient of u cross v vector plus v. Now this is equal to del cross v. This is curl of v is equal to. Similar third result is prove that divergence of u cross v is equal to v vector dot curl of u vector minus u vector curl of u vector. Now again taking left hand side. Left hand side is equal to v divergence of u cross v vector. What does this mean? Del dot u cross v vector. Substitute the value del here. Del operator dot u cross v vector. Now operate this vector on this. So now you have to keep in mind the dot and cross vector. So dot is here. Dot is with the vector. With the unit vector iota. This will partially differentiate this u plus u cross v vector. The j dot, this dot is here, dot will operate partially differentiate this u cross v vector is 2y plus k dot will differentiate u cross v vector is 2z. Now differentiate them. Now differentiate and put the same multiplication sign, whether cross or dot or whatever simplification. Now this is equal to iota is common. Iota is common. This is equal to iota dot positive this. Positive this will be how much? Positive this will be u derivative of u vector cross vector plus u vector cross derivative u vector. Similarly other two terms. So this will be j dot positive u vector is to v vector u is to y cross v vector plus u vector this is vector. Now after we have to keep in mind that dot cross a simple multiplication while combining the like terms. So here we have to use very wisely this scalar trigonometry to three vectors. Now in the first three terms, this v vector is here. Now this u cross this vector. Now in the first three terms, we will use the scalar trigonometry to three vectors. This is equal to I dot a dot b cross is equal to a cross b cross c. So this is equal to I cross is equal to this vector, and this vector also. When we multiply this vector by with dot product with the 3 multiply dot with the iota and 3 multiply dot with the j dot with the k, and apply this product. We got iota cross the possibility used to with the iota possibility of u to with this 2x, and this will be cross and dot interchange. The Fermat property of scalar product remain the same. In this term also, j cross positive used to y dot vector, and this term will k cross positive v vectors to z dot v positive. And the other theta, this term, uh, we will apply the cross product is not come to a cross b is equal to minus b cross a in this term, and then multiply it again. So this will be equal to iota dot minus of, we want to make them similar. Positive of b vector is to a x cross b vector plus j into minus j dot minus of this minus of partially v vector is y dot u vector cross v vector, sorry, this vector, and plus k dot minus of partial derivative of v vectors to z cross v vector. So after arrangement, we made these terms like terms. First term is equal to, second is partial derivative, and third is a vector. So dot cross. Now why we did this? We want to take this is common. We want to convert it into del operator now. So in the first two terms we got iota cross. This is, we got common from this. What we got common is equal to v dot is common here. V dot right side, and in the we have converted into we want to convert to del. So this is equal to iota positive is to x. This is dot. This is a cross product here. Cross is here, cross is here, cross is here. Dot is outside, so we are left with iota positive is to x cross u vector plus positive cross u vector is taken out. We are left with iota positive is to x plus j positive is to y plus k positive to z. This of cross u cross u common, and dot is common, dot v dot is common from here. Similar in the second terms. Now this is iota, minus is common, minus common outside. This is iota, again cross and dot interchange. So this is equal to iota dot. We are again converted to dot. Again we apply this formula. Scalar product dot and cross interchange. So this is equal to iota cross cross positive v to x dot v vector. Similarly, this is equal to j cross positive v vector is to y, and third is k cross positive is to positive of v vector is to z, and cross will be dot cross interchange. Let us consider the same. So after this, we got, what is this? This is del cross u dot v. And what will this become? Now it is again real. So dot u is common. Dot u is common outside. Now cross v is common. So this equal to, we are again converted to that into del operator. So we are trying with what we did. Why we did all this? We want to convert it to del operators. Iota positive is to x, cross v is common, plus j positive is to y, plus k positive z, and cross v is common, and dot v is also common. So now this is del cross v dot u. So this dot would commutative. So we can in some suitable form, v vector dot curl of u vector minus u vector dot curl of u vector. Now next is prove that curl of u cross v, curl of u cross v. What was this? This was divergence of u plus v. Now we are proving curl of u. In the divergence we got both of the curl. Now curl of u cross v is equal to, we have to do u vector dot gradient of v minus v vector dot gradient of u plus v vector cross curl of u vector plus u vector cross curl of u vector. So four times. Now taking that inside. curl of u cross vector, del cross u cross vector, quickly del on this with the cross multiplication. So again, product in vectors. So partial derivative iota cross partial derivative this u cross v is to x plus j cross partial derivative of u cross v is to y plus k cross y. Now we can do both way. This is symmetrical, so we can find the first term or we can do the compare. We look at the first term. First term similarly we can find the term because this is same term. So this is equal to this can be written as summation of I cross partial now product u cross v iota cross derivative product. Then first derivative cross v plus u cross positive v square. Now sum is sum of summation multiply by iota cross iota and sum is sum of summation into this. Here. So now in this now in each term A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C. So we will apply triple product of four vectors. Apply triple product of four vectors. Now, what will that? Is equal to summation outside. This is equal to A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C iota dot B vector of positive V x minus vector is outside iota dot positive v u vector is to x. Similarly, the first three terms and similarly the next three terms. This will be summation of positive iota positive of iota iota dot positive v is to x iota dot positive v is to x of u vector minus iota dot u into positive v is to x solution. Okay. Dot and cross dot product is commutative, so we can read terms. How these the term iota is written as iota. So you want to again del is equal to v iota dot v is equal to v dot iota v dot iota. Similarly, is equal to v dot iota, and this will be how much? Summation iota dot v. This is iota dot v, and this is equal to v dot iota. Put these two terms related to iota. Now summation is for iota. So summation the sum is sum of summation with converted summations, and then the first term, second, third, fourth term we got here. So after rearranging term, we write the first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Now after writing these four terms, we'll find their values. What is this summation? This is u is equal to u vector substitution summation of iota dot positive v is to x. So dot is here. Now iota dot is here. Dot v is common. So what will become this? It become positive x to x, positive y to y, positive z. Similarly here, v multiplication with summation of iota positive u is to x. Dot is here. Dot is common. So this will become the summation iota positive u is to x will become del of x. Similarly here, this is equal to what will this become? V dot this bracket here and this also bracket here. So this become similarly. This is V dot summation of iota positive u to x. So U is common. This become del operator minus V. So again become del operator. This is not no product. This is condition here. Condition dot product. So now after this, we will substitute the values. This is equal to vector del dot v vector minus vector del dot v vector minus v vector dot del of v vector minus u vector del of v vector. So this is equal to u vector del of v vector minus v vector del of v vector plus v vector del gradient of v vector minus vector dot length of